The National Social Security Fund, NSSF, is the sole manager of the savings of private sector employees. But the body has been beset by several financial scandals, leading to a huge public outcry that government needs to break this monopoly and allow new players into the pension sector. But before it can do this, government needs to set up an authority to regulate all pension schemes. Now a bill entitled the Uganda Retirement Benefits Authority 2010 is before Parliament for scrutiny.
But what is surprising is that we are not consulted. You know, this bill is supposed to regulate all the pension schemes, including National Social Security Fund. They kind of want to rush this bill.
But if the bill is passed into law in its current form, workers fear that the authority could license private players who could buy out NSSF to the detriment of workers' interests.
The NSSF Act and other act ceases to work according to some article in this. The implication is now, if this bill is passed like this, then there's no guarantee of our money in NSSF. Anybody can now come and say, I also want to what? To open up a financial institution to take care of your money. Getting a loophole for anybody now to steal our money, even in NSSF. Actually, our money is now even in more danger if this bill is passed like this.
The Workers' Union now intends to petition the Speaker of Parliament next week to stay the bill until government makes a thorough consultation with workers.
That this must be delayed until we, the workers, we are involved. We are also going to request a meeting with the Minister of Finance. There is no policy regarding this bill. There is no law. They are talking about a board. The government is almost 100%.